Good morning, my dear children. In the last class, we have started a new lesson. Lesson number 7, The Monkey and the Cats. Before proceeding to the next part of this lesson, let us have a revise. Children, The Monkey and the Cats is a story of three friends. One monkey and two cats. The two cats are Pushy and Kitty. They lived in an old woman's house. These two cats did not behave well with each other. They always keeps on fighting with each other. One day, children, what happened? They found a piece of cake, and again they started fighting for that piece of cake. Pushy wanted the piece of cake because she has seen the cake first, and she wanted the whole piece of cake to eat alone. And Kitty wanted to eat the piece of cake because she ran and brought the cake first. So, for this purpose, they both were fighting to have that piece of cake. Then Kitty got an idea that Montu the monkey is the friend of Pushy and Kitty. So, Kitty told Pushy to go to Montu and tell him about their quarrel and let him decide who should eat the piece of cake. Then children, both Pushy and Kitty went to the Montu the monkey. Montu is a very clever monkey. He listened to the story of both the cats for that piece of cake. Then he got an idea. He told both the cats that he will divide the piece of cake into two equal parts, and one part he will give to Pushy and the second part he will give to Kitty. And from Montu's decision, both Pushy and Kitty got agreed. Then Montu took the piece of cake and divided it into two parts. But children, instead of giving the parts to Pushy and Kitty, what Montu told them? He told both the cats that the piece of cake is not divided equally. So, one part is larger and one part is smaller. So, to make the parts equal, he wanted to eat the larger part. But Pushy and Kitty did not agree. But Montu eat the some part from the larger part of piece of cake. Then let's start our story. Montu, no, but the other piece seems larger now. Let me bite a little from this half too. So, children, after eating some part from the larger part, he again told the cats, no, now the piece of cake is again not divided equally. One piece is again larger. So he wanted to bite a little from that half also. Pushy, please leave something for us. We are very hungry. Montu, now this piece looks larger. Kitty, but you are eating all of it. Pushi, will there be anything left for us at all? So, children, likewise, Montu is eating half smaller parts from the both the parts of the piece of cake, and Pushi and Kitty were asking for the cake, but Montu, instead of giving them, he was eating and saying, no, the part is not divided equally, and to make them equal, I have to eat a smaller part. So, likewise, he is eating the cake. Montu is eating from the two halves again and again. So, children, Pushi and Kitty were asking for the cake, and they were telling Montu that they are hungry and they want the cake. But Montu, instead of giving them, is eating from the two halves again and again. Kitty, what's this? You have eaten up all the cake. Montu, I am sorry, I could not divide it into two equal halves. So I had to eat it up. So, children, what happened at last? Montu ate up all the cake, and Kitty and Pushi were simply looking at him. They couldn't do anything. Kitty told Montu, what you have done? You have eaten up all the cake. You didn't give us anything. And Montu, after eating the whole piece of cake, told the cats, sorry friends, I could not divide the cake into two equal halves. So I had to eat it up. I told you, children, Montu was a very clever monkey. So he ate up all the cake and did not give anything to the cats. Now Pushi is telling, that's not fair. You are not a true friend. Kitty, Pushi, let's go. He is a cheat. Children, when Montu finished up the piece of cake, both the cats realized that Montu is not a true friend of them. He is a cheat. So, the two cats had nothing to eat that day. The next day, they found some milk. They lapped it up together and they never quarreled again. So, children, from this case, Pushi and Kitty had now realized that fighting with the friends is good for others and bad for themselves, and how one person takes the advantage of friends fighting. So now they have realized that we will not fight again and we will become a good friends always. That day both the cats did not get anything to eat. They remained hungry whole day. The next day again, children, they found some milk. This time they did not fight with each other. They lapped it together and drank the whole milk together. And from that day onwards, children, they never quarreled with themselves. So, from this story, we learn that we should never fight with our friends and we should never cheat also with our friends. So, children, I hope you have learned the story. Now, let's go to this exercise part. First, let's see the new words. Woman, quarreled, monkey, peace, idea, larger, divide, equal, half, little, hungry, cheat, friend, lapped up, nothing, again, sorry, fair. Children, learn these new words and write down these new words in your English copy. Let's see the true or false. Listen to the text carefully as the teacher reads it out. Then say whether the statements given below are true or false. 1. Pushy and Kitty lived in an old woman's house. Yes, it is true. Both the cats lived in an old woman's house. Second, the old woman was kind to them. Yes, true. The old woman loves both the cats. Third, Kitty saw a piece of cake. It's false, children. Pushy saw the piece of cake first, and Kitty ran and brought the piece of cake. So it's a false. Pushy ran and took the piece of cake. False. Yes, Pushy saw the piece of cake, and Kitty is there who ran and brought the piece of cake. So this statement is a false statement. Fifth, Montu ate up all the cake. Yes, true. Montu is a cheater and he ate up all the cake. Now choose the correct answer. 1. Kitty and Pushy were, options are A. Two cats, B. Two dogs, C. Two mice. Answer is A. Kitty and Pushy were two cats. Montu is A. Cow, B. Monkey, C. Man. Correct answer is monkey. B. Montu is a monkey. The two cats, options are A. Talked to each other, B. Played with each other, C. Quarreled with each other. So correct answer is C. The two cats quarreled with each other. Fourth, Montu said he would, option A, divide the cake into two equal halves, B, eat one half, C, get them another piece of cake. Correct answer is A. Montu said he would divide the cake into two equal halves. Fifth one, Montu is, option A cheat, B, good, C, clever. Option is a cheat. Montu is a cheat. So children, learn these true and false and choose the correct answer also. Question answers we will give you in the next file. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Learn this lesson with correct pronunciation at your home. Thank you.